This woman prays for the health and safety of her husband. He joined Myanmar's junta military in April as a replacement soldier, serving in place of a wealthy recruit whose family wanted to protect him from the dangers of battle. His wife says she was promised an initial payment of $110 and a monthly salary of $65, but so far, she has received nothing. A military official told RFA that soldiers like her husband are generally deployed to the front lines after completing their training. The official said they are addressing concerns from family members about the lack of communication with their loved ones.